welcome to this new video. Today we are unboxing my first ever actual camera because I never owned a camera, always wanted one. I film with an iPhone, that's the camera recording right now, and I found this online. Okay, this is a DJI product, which is the same company that I have two other things, and now I have this. So this is the DJI Osmo Nano. I bought the standard combo. So the other combos like the creator combo and the vlog combo, like most of them, what they give them was gave me. Most of the other creator bundles, they basically included the microphone, so I didn't need them. Paid not the listing price. I think here in the UK is around 280. I bought it not directly through the DJI site. I bought it, I think it was like Argos or something, and I bought it using a bunch of points. So I paid it at the end of the day with free shipping and everything around £210, something like that. And I think it's a great price for what it is and for the possibilities that it has. So here we have the box, which basically contains this, which is the camera in itself and the vision dock. I'll go over them in a second. Then guarantees, insurance, everything. And then we have this, which is, I think, is the suction cap, cable, and what? So this is the, okay, so this is the protective case, I'm pretty sure. And this is the hat. This is for putting it onto the hat like a cap. Like this slides in and basically points the camera like this. And I will try that. This is one of the reasons that I bought this camera basically. This is the lanyard, I think. Another reason that I bought this camera is that technically it pairs. So yeah, this is like the lanyard. So you put it on your neck and this basically hides behind your shirt, and the camera gets magnetically attached to it. So as I was saying, this camera technically pairs really well with my microphones because they are all DJI. So this will be also another advantage. This is just a protective case. Another one is the camera is 10-meter waterproof, just the camera, not the vision dock, which I'll explain in a second. And this is the suction cap with the quick release and a ball head to move it around. So as you can see, it's divided into two. So this one is the vision dock, power bank slash memory slash display slash whatever. So let's open first the vision dock. First, let me put away a bit of this rubbish and this one. So we have accessories, the lanyard, the vision dock, which has okay, nice. And now the actual camera itself. Wow, like I have big hands, but not that big. Okay, So basically what it allows you this is to view, find like as a viewfinder, and you can rotate it so you basically shoot forward. And also the camera in itself, I'll put this away in a second, these are magnets, so you can attach it like this and it goes on the hat, or put it simply, you can attach it behind on the lanyard for POV shots. Or I've seen some people, since this is a magnet and also this one, putting it like this is a pole and you attach it like this or like this. So it's incredible. In the next few days, I'll be trying out the camera. It's not a review. If you want a very detailed review, there are hundreds, if not thousands of videos out there. This is just to give you some of the specs. The sensor is a 1 in 1.3 inches with an FOV of 143 degrees, so it's quite wide, like GoPro style basically. There are some settings that allows you to like keep it tighter so you don't have the aberrations at on the side. It shoots up to 4K 50 FPS in normal mode. If you want, it can go up to 120 FPS at 4K in slow motion, but obviously the files are like gigantic. So usually what I'll be shooting this with is a 4K 30 FPS for like daily vlogging, like talk and stuff like that. And then when I need some slow motion, I'll be shooting 60 FPS just to get the smoothness, but not slow motion. I don't plan of using this as an action cam yet. I want to try it as a vlog camera first, and then see. Why there are so many flies around? As stabilization, it has Rocksteady 3.0, which is like the DJI standard basically. My God, why so many in London this period? So many flies, so many, too many. I'll show you what I'll use this camera for actually.
1 hour later.
Technically now we are recording straight from the camera, and you're hearing also the microphones from the camera in 4K 30 FPS, and that's my iPhone recording. Now we're gonna try it on the cap and see how that feels like. So technically I can just, even while recording, so as you can see, I'm still recording, but the camera is detached completely, and I can like view the preview here. So I can just have this one here, and then give me a second, attach this to this, and then put it here, which is not central at all. And then just this is absolutely insane. I am seeing the camera in the camera, and allows me to do some incredible POV shots. So you can see that I have like my MacBook here with the specs and all of the accessories here, and I can just have this like on the side, so you like I can see it with the back of my eye. But even if I don't turn the camera, if I don't turn the head, this is absolutely insane. And yeah, it's a bit like obvious that I'm recording with a camera, but at the same time I also want to try the lanyard. So for example, if I have no connected to the microphone, so I can have the lanyard. Oh, hello. Like I can do this kind of shots now. Huh? Hello. Okay, you go down. Bye bye. So now I have the lanyard here. So if I just detach, I'm a bit scared. Okay, the camera, I can just put it here and pov, like I'm seeing it from here, and it looks insane, and I have no idea how it looks from the like actual camera, but like I can record, I don't know, like just some absolute like POV shots or whatever. Like this is absolutely insane. If I click this, it stops the recording, gave me a thing. Okay, and technically what I can do is just put it here like this. I started the recording, and so you're seeing both from here and from here, so you can actually compare the quality. How does it look side by side? You're basically seeing the same thing. The Nano is a bit wider than the iPhone, because I think the iPhone is because the iPhone is a 1X at the moment. But to me, it looks like from here, it looks pretty good, but I have to see it from the MacBook, like editing. And yeah, you will seeing a lot of videos from this camera because I'm absolutely in love with it already. And the fact that it's waterproof, not the Vision Dock, just the camera. I can put it here, I can put it here, I can have it just in the palm of my hand. It's absolutely incredible. And yeah, you'll see more videos from this camera in the near future. So let's switch this off, and if I press, it switches off. Perfect. And then I have to understand how to move every file and everything. I will do another video with like a brief review of, like, I don't know, after a couple of videos that I use it for, telling you what I think of it. I know there are like thousands of reviews online for it, and mine will not be any different, but why not? And also I have an upcoming trip to a country that nobody that I know ever went to, and I don't see it that often on social media. I'm going with a bunch of friends. Spoiler, it's in Asia. We are so pumped. And I will be bringing this camera and vlog the entire trip. And yeah, I'm super pumped. Let's see you in the next video. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and comment. Tell me what you think of it. And see you next time.